Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Anyway, check it out. Came in the mail today. 8544. Pipe admission cyclo adapter MBK88. Diaphragm 15 millimeters. Can't really read what that other fucking number is. Motor A something, whatever. Nah. Anyway, here's the other fucking pipe. If I can get the fucking bag open. Come on, focus the camera a little bit. Son of a bitch. On. And if you're wondering what it is, it's a BBR tuning Billman 4S. Check that out. Takes quite impressive skill to do that. Yeah. I got one here and one here. And they're both machine shop made. No cheap Chinese parts here. Anyway, I'm going to show you the difference between the two. I can get this to fuck open. This is for a fucking Harley Davidson. See? You can mount it up like that to your engine. Okay? Mount it like that. Or mount it like that. Okay? I can use this one on the 4-stroke, I think. Or I can use this part. I don't know why people talk shit about BikeBerry, saying that their parts ain't good and shit. See? Got the fucking mounting hardware. Got the fucking screws on. The fucking washer come off the fucking screw. Fucking shit. Alright, there we go. There's the mounting screws. There's the fucking spacer, or the thing, whatever. And then here's this base. This is machine shopped bullet BBR tuning intake for a 2-stroke carb to go onto a 4-stroke motor. And let's see if it's the same size. Look at that. Same size. And same size. Yep, same size. See? Same size. Yeah, the only difference is this looks like hardened cast aluminum. And it's got a little rubber seal. This is for like a sealed type vacuum seal. So when it mounts on the motor, it goes, I think it goes on like this, or it goes on like this on the 4-stroke. But basically, it's supposed to go on like this, and then you pop your fucking carb on this piece. Same with this. The only difference is that you don't get this rubber spacer. You get this. This also goes on to a 2-stroke carb. Or if you want, you could use one of them Mini Cooney carbs, or one of them fucking Skyhawk racing carburetors, and use this on a fucking 4-stroke. Now this is cast steel. At least that's what the fuck it looks like. Now if you're wondering where this came from fucking Italy, okay? Italy. This one came from China. But as you can see, this is heavy duty fucking cast aluminum. No cheap shit. This shit's like fucking thick. See? Can't even break it with my fingers. I don't know which one to use. But if I had to guess, I'm probably either going to use this one, have the carburetor get down like this so that it's leveled with the engine, or have it up like this, have it mounted. I'll figure it out once I get around to it. Still gotta wait for my other parts to come in the mail though. Still got the Honda flywheel. Yep. And then once the flywheel comes here, I'll be showing you people on YouTube what the flywheel number is and what the ignition coil number is, and then you people can go out and get a Huashang or Huashang engine, 49cc, take off the flywheel, the magneto, put a Honda coil and Honda flywheel, and then congratulations, your motor is ungoverned and there's no more of a rev limiter on the engine. And then all you do is buy a 4-shoe clutch. They sell them on eBay. And then change the clutch, and then boom, you got yourself a fat moto bike. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I hope you motherfuckers are learning something from my videos instead of sitting there and ignoring my videos and acting like I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about and shit. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. It's y'all motherfuckers that gotta catch up and learn something from me. Alright, thanks for watching.